What's this? It's your boy ACG in the building. It's your boy ACG in the building. We back with the, as y'all saw, I already have the Taurus G2c 40. Let me get it closer for you. 40 Smith & Wesson G2c. I'm gonna make this a little short one because y'all already seen it. This is basically gonna be a review. So let's get straight into it. Oh, big 40. Alright, let's get straight into it. Alright, so y'all see you feel me? We got the Taurus on the front. Side gonna be always bring it, you feel me, Taurus? Okay, Taurus. Got Taurus USA on the side. Then I got your stats right here, the gun. It has the gun tag or whatever on that side. Then on the bottom, so it's not like my G3 Tactical. It didn't come in a bag, but that's how Taurus cuts their cost and competition by getting these boxes out or whatever. So you getting a budget gun, you feel me, get it the budget way. But it's a great gun. You can't have it all. You feel me? Box, great gun. You feel me? And I have shot this before, so it comes like this. It comes with 2 mags, as you see. Well, when you get it, it's gonna have 1 because these are loaded. I didn't want to unload them. You're gonna have one mag on the inside, and then another mag on the side or whatever. So you get into it, open it, you feel me? Okay, Taurus with the, they gave us a box, but they did give us a Taurus bag, stop lying. But, get that out of the way. So yeah, here's the gun, boom. I love the stipple work on it, cause as you shooting this is a littler gun. It's tacky. It is clear, guys. My hands it fits perfectly in my hand. This is my little pocket racket, I call it. It's my little, you feel me? I want to get up and But yeah, this, yeah, compared to my hand, boom, without a mag in it. It could fit in my palm. Well, not my palm, my hand. You feel me? I could grasp it like that. Kinda keep, oop. You see it? No, you don't. Oop. But yeah. So yeah, they did a good job on the stipple work. I really love the texture that Taurus does on that. It could be more, but yeah. That's why mine are, yeah. But, so yeah, it comes with, so for this, it's different than my G3 Tactical because it didn't come with a safety. It is a safety. It comes with 2 safeties. Comes with 1 safety right there, and then of course the trigger safety right there. You gotta push that actually to other. If you get it caught on something, it has to get caught like this to pull the trigger. On top of it, Taurus makes it really hard for negligent discharges to happen because it has that, you feel me? So then we got that safety also. It has nice, let me show you. It has, you could always, well, which I am planning on doing, upgrading these sights to night sights. And I also plan to get a plate that goes on the rear sight so that I could mount optic to this. And then I'm gonna have to, of course, get a co-witnessing front sight also, since it's the what's the name is gonna be on it. So in the box, it just came, you know, got 1 mag in here, boom. And then your other mag is gonna be in your gun, but sometimes Taurus likes to put them underneath, you feel me? So Your gun says 2. If your gun says you get 2 mags and you only see 1, just look up under there. You feel me? It's always, you feel me? Yeah. So it's 40. Here, I'll put the safety on and show y'all how this looks with the. See, for my hands, I can't. There is a mag that I could get that I have to do a slight modification on, and I wanted to get the PT, one of the older PT 40 mags and put in here, but they don't make them anymore. And plus, the pawn shop that I tried to get it from did not, didn't send it out. They didn't charge me, but at the same time, they didn't send it out. I would have loved, you hear me? At least it was gonna be a little 21 round mag. But maybe I go to the gun show and pick me up a mag, but other than that, I'ma just upgrade to deal with my hands slipping off, cause like I have pretty big hands. This is me holding it, I'm damn near my second finger off that. So if I put the mag in, it is gonna stay. It provides just somewhere I can put my pinky or whatever. This is what it looks like with the mag in. You get me? So yeah. So the next part of this video is, this is the review part, but I just wanted to, you feel me, add a little something else to the sauce or whatever. So we have as y'all can see in my other videos, these were color filled. I kind of messed up right here. I tried to do the fingernail paint on that one, but that didn't work. So today I actually got the ones that I'm gonna need, what I need, and this is gonna be like a little double tutorial on how to color fill your gun without leaving those wax residues and from crayons and stuff. I'm not using crayon, I'm using a paint marker. And I'm gonna do it orange, so I'm gonna get straight back to y'all with that in a little while. Alright, I'll see y'all. Stinky.